Hello and welcome back to Life Blowout Prevention Intervention Project. My name is Ania Grimone and I am your host. And we're continuing our conversation around learning small incremental steps that when applied on a regular basis can prevent big crises from happening in our lives. We preserve our health, we preserve our relationships, we preserve our jobs, and we don't waste time managing things when they break. So today we're going to continue our conversation around eliminating and preventing stress. And we will do that by using essential oils. Why essential oils are so effective is they are fats. They are extracts from plants, very concentrated extracts from plants. They are fats with very tiny molecular structure. What that means is that they can get absorbed into the cell directly. They can sneak through the cell membrane, which is primarily fat. So when you inhale essential oils, in 20 seconds they're in your brain, in 2 minutes they are in your blood, and in 20 minutes they're in every cell in your body. So it's really, really important that you use high quality oils, therapeutic grade. Make sure that the brand has a designation of therapeutic grade essential oils, because obviously something going to get into your brain and into your system. You want to make sure that it's a good stuff. So how can you utilize essential oils easily? You can incorporate it in so many different ways. You can put a few drops in your shower right at the edge of the spray so you don't wash them down your tub, and you can enjoy a spa moment in the morning and evening whenever you shower. You can inhale it direct from a bottle if you are worried about other people being sensitive to the smells. You can diffuse it at home or at work if you have your own office in a water-based diffuser. You can put it diluted on your skin, on your wrists, behind your ears, if you don't have skin sensitivities. But the first three ways are probably the simplest ways and safest ways to apply it. So what are some of the evidence-based recommendations around essential oils for stress management? Essential oil of bergamot, lavender, vetiver, frankincense, and clary sage. Pick whatever smells good to you, because if it smells good, you're going to use it, and enjoy the wonderful benefits of these beautiful potions. That's all I have for you for today. Stay tuned for the next episode of Life Blowout Prevention Intervention Project. Until next time.